Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I know it has been quite a very long time. It's been, I want to say, a little over 6 months since I last uploaded, and I am truly sorry. I've just been busy with work, life, pretty much everything under the sun apart from making videos. So I decided to come back with what I know best, and that is reveals and unboxings. I got this back in December, so I don't really recall showing you dolls. It is my wallet that I have been using for 5 months straight. I got it in December. It is the Gucci Marmont wallet. That's how it looks. And ooh, I'm sitting pretty far from the camera, so so this is the inside. It's got 4 card slots, so 1, 2, 3, 4. It's got a little slip pocket at the back, a slip pocket behind the coin compartment, and what I love about this is that it has a like notes and bills compartment, which I really do like. So this wallet has done me well for the last 5 months. I've used it continuously straight. I haven't changed out from it at all, and yeah, so it's been really good. And I was told to be careful with it because the leather is very delicate, but I've literally just been chucking it in my work bag with my keys and everything, rubbing up against it, and to be quite honest, there's no scratches whatsoever. I would say there's more creases because you are constantly opening and closing it, so this area here will be the most prone to getting creases. But other than that, even inside like the leather part here, there's hardly any scratches. And yeah, I've been really enjoying this wallet. Also, if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, I tend to post more frequently on there. Especially I do polls and like I ask you guys questions as to what I should get next. And this is a poll. I did a poll yesterday. I did a poll yesterday and 75% of you dolls said yes, I should. And so I did. So the next reveal is a bag. What's new? Side note, I did own this bag before, but then I sold it around 1.5 to 2 years ago, and I've been missing this bag because I've been seeing it everywhere on social media. So I went ahead and bit the bullet, bought it again. And I think the Palm Springs Mini will be just pushed aside for the time being because this bag, everyone was just saying like it's classy, it suits you, you should get it. They prefer this over the Palm Springs Mini, and you can fit way more than the Palm Springs Mini, but deep inside I still would like to own the Palm Springs Mini, but I don't know, maybe sometime down the track. But anyway, I want to introduce to you dolls my newest addition. My bag of 2019 is the Givenchy Antigona smooth calf, and it's in the color black. And this one does have the silver hardware. The one that I previously did own, it had the pale gold hardware. And also what I like about this is that the straps are removable. So I think with my previous one it wasn't removable, which was kind of annoying, so you always had the straps on, and the strap is somewhat longer as well. So I did it. This is her. She is gorgeous, and I used her for work today, so she's done well. Like, I am in love. The main reason for me to go to the shops yesterday was to pick up a certain item that I paid for last week, and it came in, so I wasn't meant to get this that bag at all. Like, it wasn't even, I just came to pick up this item here, but I saw it, tried it, and the rest is history. I don't know if it's the same with you dolls, but if the sales associate is really, really, really good, it just makes you want to buy it. I don't know if you guys are the same, but okay, so long story short, the sales associate that works at Givenchy, he used to be a security guard in Louis Vuitton. And so once I thought he actually, because he's so lovely, I thought when we saw him in Givenchy he was a security guard over there, but turns out he actually is staff, and so he's actually working at Givenchy now. So I was so happy for him. And so yeah, he's awesome. So I ended up buying it. Also, apart from that, I really was looking for this bag, and I wasn't sure if they had it in store because it wasn't on display, and so I just asked if they had it, and they did, and they had a couple at the back. So I was like, you know what, let's do it. So anyway, the main reason for me going into store was for this item here from Louis Vuitton. I feel so bad. I feel like I cheated on Louis Vuitton, but how can you say no to that? You know what I mean? Anyways, here's the item. Taking out of the dust bag. Sorry, the box. The dust bag. There is okay guys. There we go. To reveal. Dun dun. I got the micro pochette in the giant collection. I have no idea how to pronounce it. I know other people pronounce it some other way, the French way, I don't know, but I'm just saying giant collection. And here she is. She is absolutely stunning. So she has 4 colorways. She has the green, she has the beige and white, and then this kind of off-white and brown bottom, and then the black and white on this little tab. This little tab, and all around the piping of the edges. Okay, so this is so stinking cute, I can't even deal with it. And then inside it has the little tab. It says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. I don't know if you'll be able to pick that up. The only thing that I wish they did with this little pouch is that they made the interior the khaki green color, because then it would kind of blend all the way through. And also, like, maintenance and dirt wise, with the beige you could probably see more dirt as opposed to having this color. But as you can see, since the zipper pull is that khaki army green color, if they just made the inside kind of blend with the same color as the zipper, don't you think it would look much better? That's just my opinion anyway. So it also has the same little clasp as a normal clay would, just like that. And yeah, she's really cute. I'm so happy I was able to find one. My client advisor is absolutely amazing. She is the best. So anyway, I want to do a quick comparison of the mini pochette and the micro pochette. So here it is the mini pochette and the micro pochette side. There we go. It's pretty much roughly an inch off the top and side, so that's what that looks like. bottom. And also, I don't know if you guys notice this as well, I feel like the hardware on the micro pochette is much more better than my mini pochette. I feel like my mini pochette's hardware, it's like a brushed kind of, like a brushed matte-ish gold, as opposed to the micro pochette, it's like a full-on shiny gold. I don't know if you'll be able to tell, but you can see how shiny the micro pochette one is compared to my mini pochette. It's just, I'll come closer so you guys can see. See, this is more of like a kind of brushed hardware looking, and then this one here is so shiny, it's insane. So that, my loves, is all the items that I have recently purchased for myself over the last 6 months that I've been away. I know it's not that much, but obviously I'm trying to save up for other things too. So those are the things that I wanted to treat myself with. Who knows, maybe the Palm Springs mini will eventually make its way into my collection. I don't know, but I'll definitely make a video once that happens. But other than that, I just want to say a massive thank you for all the dolls that have always supported me. Thank you so much. I love you so much. Also, thanks to everyone who sent me messages asking how I've been, how you miss me, how you miss my videos. I miss you all too, and I really hope this time I can stick around for much longer than every 6 months, because yeah, that was just terrible on my behalf, and I'm really truly sorry. So yeah, other than that, thanks again so much, and I'll see you dolls in my next one. Also, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little notification bell to be notified of when my next video will be up. So thanks again dolls, I love you, and I'll see you in the next one.